Good Tuesday morning. What a nice looking start to the day. We're in Richardson. Very different than this time yesterday. Yes, we still have some wet weather on radar, but nowhere near as much as yesterday at this time. Later on this afternoon, different story. More showers and storms are going to pop up, and with rain continuing to stay in our forecast for several more days, it generally keeps us in the 80s to low 90s. Fantastic. A nice break from that triple-digit heat. Now, I will tell you, we dry out by the weekend, which means lots of sun, great for stuff to do outdoors, but the temperatures will start rising, and then those upper 90s are back before you know it. So scattered shower and thunderstorm potential today, about 40%, especially as you head into central Texas. Higher south, that's where the coverage is going to be highest. The more north you go, a little more isolated, especially up towards the Red River. And we'll keep it scattered at 30% coverage for now, Wednesday and Thursday. I have a feeling it may be a little higher tomorrow. Model data trying to show slightly better potential. Either way, with these pop-ups, they're slow movers. Lightning, heavy rainfall could cause some flood concerns, especially for areas that have already had several inches of rain from yesterday. And I've also added in a rain chance Friday. 10% DFW, but more like 20% west. So we keep in the rain in the clouds, and that holds our temperatures below normal, which is fantastic considering our triples last week. Low to mid 70s on our Fox 4 views. A few spots have some thicker clouds compared to what we're seeing around near Possum Kingdom Lake or even Cedar Creek Reservoir. Outside of Cedar Creek Reservoir, you head south and west, a different story. We've got showers and thunderstorms. While not severe, not moving a whole lot, so a lot of wet weather and torrential downpours along 45 in and out of Fairfield. And we also still have some heavy rain in southern parts of Navarro County, which had estimates in that 4 to 8 inch range yesterday. So that's a spot where you don't want any more rain. So any low-lying areas, poor drainage areas, that's where we'll be concerned for some flooding. We've seen our showers out near Strawn and Gordon and Morgan Mill actually weaken, so not much happening there. And if you're traveling into the Metroplex or points north and east, it's quiet, looking good. No wet weather to impact that morning commute. So for the morning, generally south and into central Texas is where the best rain chances are. And then as we heat up, low to mid 80s for most of us by noontime, partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. We'll see more showers and storms pop late afternoon into the early evening. And still, I-20 southward, likely the best coverage of rain and thunderstorms today. And even 30–40% means a lot of us still not getting rain. The problem is that these are so efficient when it comes to producing rainfall. You get too much all at once because they're moving so slow. After 9–10 o'clock, I think we quiet down, and we do this again tomorrow, mostly low to mid 70s, a few showers possible in the morning, but better coverage will be in the afternoon. We're cranking the heat a little bit more tomorrow. I think more of us will be at that 90-degree mark, and again, slow moving, heavy rainfall with those thunderstorms. There's your forewarned 7-day forecast. Talk about a different forecast compared to this time last week, right? We had triples last week, now highs mainly in the upper 80s to low 90s with scattered shower and thunderstorm potential, especially for the afternoon hours through Thursday. It'll be a bit more isolated on Friday, and then with more sunshine, easily back into the mid to upper 90s for the weekend into early next week.